Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, before going into details, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Together we will grow Dogecoin. What I say and my graphic predictions are always right guys. I hope it is useful for you. I will determine the buying and selling points for those who want to make short transactions. And I will tell you the important developments today. Dogecoin has lost 7.51% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $0.2063. Doge holders will not be encouraged to see the Dogecoin underperform the market by such a degree recently. Whilst Bitcoin and Ethereum have fluctuated on either side of unchanged over the period, Dogecoin is starting to break down. Once a top 4 ranked crypto, Doge has slipped to 7th place, behind a lethargic but stable Ripple. The latest sell-off sets Dogecoin's market cap at just north of $28 billion and a far cry from May's $95 billion top. Furthermore, the fact that you have to scroll down to the 51st ranked Theta Fuel to find a worse performer over the last week is not a good sign. Guys, slid by 4.52% on Wednesday. Reversing a 1.43% gain from Tuesday, Dogecoin ended the day at $0.2038. After a mixed start of the day, Dogecoin rose to a mid-morning intraday high $0.2386 before hitting reverse. Falling short of the first major resistance level at $0.2112, Dogecoin slid to a late intraday low $0.2008. The sell-off saw Dogecoin fall through the first major support level at $0.2085 and the second major support level at $0.2026. Steering clear of sub-22 cents levels, Dogecoin broke back through the second major support level to end the day at $0.223 levels. At the time of writing, Dogecoin was down by 3.05% to $0.2170. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning high $0.2247 before sliding to a low $0.2121. Dogecoin fell through the first major support level at $0.2169 early on. Elon Musk says his baby is a Dogecoin toddler hodler. Elon Musk has once again been tweeting about Dogecoin. The Tesla CEO joked that the electric cars could mine Dogecoin anytime it spotted a Shiba Inu dog with its inbuilt cameras. Maybe if sees a Shiba Inu, the car renders a Dogecoin, he wrote. Musk also described his baby, nicknamed X, as a toddler hodler, having revealed earlier this year that he bought Dogecoin for him. Bitcoin price analyst predicts bullish breakout. A new research note from an analyst who predicted the recent Bitcoin price crash has offered an optimistic take on the market's current direction. Katie Stockton, founder of independent research provider Fairlead Strategies, wrote that Bitcoin looks more likely to break above than break below the narrow $32,000–$36,000 band it has been trading within in recent weeks. The consolidation phase itself is neutral, but we think a breakout is more likely than a breakdown, she wrote. Intermediate-term momentum has been improving based on the MACD, moving average convergence divergence, histogram. Bank of England reports growing interest in crypto from institutional investors. The Bank of England has highlighted the growing trend of increased institutional investment in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, suggesting that there could be some more big moves into the space in 2021. I really mean it. So guys, let's jump into the markets right now. So I'm going to look down. So right now the total market cap as of time of recording this, if the things change by the time you watch this, don't beat me up. The most important takeaway from this video is the Elliott wave pattern, the resistance at low wave patterns as dictated at 23.26 cents. And if we do that, that's going to indicate that we are going to break out on the fifth wave. In the past 7 days Ethereum is actually up almost 9%. Bitcoin in 7 days is down 0.5%. Binance Coin is at $2.88 and that's down 1.99 for the day guy. An FOTR the week, that means that the Binance coin is down 0.46. So Cardano, right now is at a $27 and it's down 1.3%, and for the last 7 days it's down 2%. So my Doge in the house, we are trading at 21. We are still well above my 22-cent support levels, so that's really good. We are above my yellow line, my yellow trend line, so that's really good. If we break down any more we could go down to 22 cents, but that's not gonna happen guys, because I think when the people in the U.S. start waking up, start realizing that Doge just tweeted something, I think there's going to be a lot of retail and investors, the Joe public, who's going to be really interesting. You are see Doge recover and probably go up to 22 cents a day. So Doge is up almost 0.5% right now. And for the week Doge is up $4.63% guys. So you should feel excited. The Doge father has engaged. It's totally mined. Blowing guys, I'm totally excited, I'm totally happy about this guys, you should be too guys. Once again, if you like the OG in the house, please watch the videos and share these videos on your social links, smash the likes guys. The Financial Stability Report, published today, noted how the price of Bitcoin rose six-fold in the 12 months leading up to April 2021, prompting institutional investors to take note. Market intelligence suggests cryptoassets are largely held by retail investors, with institutional investors having limited exposure at present, the report states. However, there are some signs of growing interest in cryptoassets and related services from institutional investors, banks, and key payment system operators. These developments could increase the interlinkages between cryptoassets and other systemic financial markets and institutions. As I said in my previous video, guys, we must remain calm. I will read you a news for inspiration. Listen to this news until the end and let's understand what kind of process is this process. Let's sit in our minds. This 33-year-old Dogecoin millionaire is now being paid in the meme-inspired cryptocurrency and continues to buy the dips. Glauber Contesoto took a big risk on Dogecoin, a meme-inspired cryptocurrency that began as a joke earlier this year. Between his savings and borrowed funds, Contesoto says that he invested over $250,000 in Dogecoin on February 5 when it was priced at about 4.5 cents. About 2 months later, on April 15, he says he became a Dogecoin millionaire on paper. Since, Contesoto has refused to sell, despite Dogecoin's ups and downs. He plans to buy more of the digital coin and HODL for the long haul. Contesoto believes in Dogecoin so much that he now requests to be paid in it whenever he works with crypto brands on social media promotions. Contesoto will earn a total of $25,000 for an upcoming partnership between his YouTube channel and blockchain project Acria Network, he tells CNBC Make It. When finalizing the deal, the company asked if he'd prefer to be paid in US dollars or crypto. Of course, I said Dogecoin, he says. So, they literally paid me in Dogecoin. They gave me half up front, and the other half when I deliver the video. To keep up with his growing Dogecoin millionaire brand online, Contesoto also quit his day job at a music company in Los Angeles in June. I had no idea how I was going to make money moving forward, he says. He earns a little bit of money from selling merch on his website, but his main focus is developing his social media presence. In 1 month, he has made $28,000 from social media ads and promotions, which was primarily paid out in Dogecoin. That's about 6 months' salary at my old job, Contesoto says. After covering all of his bills, including rent, food and other expenses, Contesoto plans to continue to invest as much as he can in Dogecoin. Though experts warn against it, I'm all invested in Doge, Contesoto says. Doge is my savings account. As of around 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, his Dogecoin holdings are worth around $931,689. Dogecoin is trading at around 23 cents as of 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, according to CoinMarketCap. But, if it drops below 20 cents next week, I'll buy the dip again, Contesoto says. After hitting a record high on May 8 of around 73 cents, the digital coin fell to around 47 cents on May 9, and Contesoto invested another $17,500, he previously said. However, financial experts are highly skeptical of Dogecoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies. Their extreme volatility is one reason why experts warn that it's a risky, speculative investment. And some warn to be especially cautious when investing in Dogecoin in particular, since it lacks the scarcity and technological development that Bitcoin has, for example. Investors could get burned, and in turn, should only invest what they can afford to lose. You risk losing nearly all the money you put in, James Ledbetter, editor of fintech newsletter Fin and CNBC contributor, previously told CNBC Make It. It has no intrinsic value and it could just as easily come crashing down in price as continue to go up. Still, Contesoto's outlook on Dogecoin remains extremely bullish. Depending on what happens in the coming months, he believes the price could rise. He's hopeful it will hit $1 by the end of the year. You see, friends, people remain calm and patient and continue their transactions. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.